What you playing today?
Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard Beach? How are you playing Blizzard Beach?
With these cubes
Uh-huh.
and the slide.
Cool, let's see how you play it. Where are they now?
Right here.
I know. What's that? What part of Blizzard Beach is that?
This part is Lazy River.
Hi, Lazy River. Are you having fun on Lazy River?
Yes.
What shapes are those?
Say
Are they hexagons?
yes.
And why are they hexagons? How many sides?
Yay!
Do they have 6 sides?
Yes.
Okay. So show me how they go down Lazy River. Whoa, that looks like fun. So what part do they go down now?
They go down about the big slide.
All right, Summit Plummet. Let's see them go down Summit Plummet.
Okay, so now
Whoa, was that fun?
yes!
All right. Can you tell everybody bye?
Bye.
And what do you say? If you
Subscribe.